Screams louder.
What's up guys, and welcome to the Coupon Club. So today's Sunday, and every Sunday new printable coupons become available for everybody to print, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today in this video. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly where I go to print my coupons and what coupons I'm going to be printing. And this is really important to do as a couponer, especially if you don't have insert coupons, because a lot of these coupons are the same coupons which are found in our inserts, and they can really help bring down the cost on our deals. So like I said, new printable coupons become available every Sunday, and I print my coupons from InboxDollars.com, and I'll have that link down below for you guys if you want to check it out. But I'm actually going to be sharing my screen with you and show you the website and show you where to go to find the coupons and exactly which coupons I'm going to be printing. And it is really important that you print your coupons once a week when they become available, because next week a lot of these coupons will be no longer available, and I'm sure we're going to be needing one of these for our breakdown next week. So this is InboxDollars.com, and I am already logged in. If you don't have an account, you're gonna wanna create one and log in. And you guys can see here up in the right corner, it says I have $30.18. So yes, you can make money on this website. And actually $30 is all you need to cash out. So now that I am at $30, I'm probably gonna cash out later today. So I'm gonna show you guys how I got this $30. And I literally just got this $30 pretty much just by printing coupons right here. So when you're at InboxDollars.com, you wanna go to this coupons tab. And you'll see here, right here it says coupons.com. That's because all these coupons that are available right here are also available on coupons.com. The only difference is you get paid to print these coupons from InboxDollars.com. So there is a limit. You only can get 25 cents a day from printing coupons, and you get 1 cent per coupon. So if you clip more than 25 coupons, you would only get paid for 25 of those, so 25 cents. And if you guys wanted to, there are other ways you could earn money on this website, but I primarily just do it with the coupons. And in addition to printing and getting a penny for every coupon that you print, you actually get another 10 cents when you use that coupon at the store. So this is an amazing website, guys. If you haven't checked it out already, definitely check it out. Anyways, let's get started and see what coupons we got available this week. I haven't even checked it out yet, so let's look. All right, to start off, I see we have this $1 Colgate. I'm definitely gonna be clipping that. This is actually something that was in a recent insert coupon from this Sunday, so if you don't have inserts, you guys are gonna wanna clip this too, and then you can actually do that Colgate deal breakdown that I put together in my CVS Best Deals video, which I'll have linked down below for you guys if you wanna check that out. Moving on, let's see what else we got. Oh, here's a Colgate mouthwash. Save $1 on Colgate mouthwash. Guys, that's really good. Definitely print that. I mean, you can get Colgate mouthwash coupons from Colgate.com too, but it's only for 75 cents. So $1 off is great. Definitely print that and print the max. I believe you're able to print each of them twice per account. Oh guys, a CoverGirl coupon. Yes! So always print your CoverGirl coupons. Always get the max on your CoverGirl coupons. Just a quick tip, you're able to print twice from Google Chrome and twice from another web browser like Internet Explorer or Edge. So definitely get your max prints, which is 4 on this CoverGirl coupon and probably these Colgates too. So let's keep going, see what else we got. Clairol, that's pretty good. Sometimes we have some hair dye deals. Chic razors, I'll clip that. This came out recently, but it was a $4 coupon, but $3 is still good. So $3 Chic, that's really good. There's actually a great Chic deal going on right now at CVS, so if you guys don't have insert coupons, you guys can definitely use this. Oh, L'Oreal Paris, our good old L'Oreal Paris and Elvive. Definitely clip this guy. We also have a L'Oreal deal this week, which you could use that for if you don't have insert coupons. There's some great coupons, guys, this week. If this is your first week printing coupons, this is a great week to start, huh? All right, we also have this $2 off of L'Oreal Paris. This one's a little bit more expensive. I usually don't pick up this brand. Not this brand, but this type. So I'm not going to clip that, but if you guys are interested, go ahead. Cortisone, Rolaids. I'm not interested in printing out other medicine coupons. I personally don't coupon for medicine. Sometimes I do if it's freebie, but typically I don't. But if you guys want to print them, go ahead. Of course, you don't only need to print the coupons, which I'm telling you, print whichever ones you want. Oh my gosh, look what we have here, guys. This $1 off of Act mouthwash. This mouthwash is actually the first product that I ever couponed for, so that's just kind of a nostalgic coupon for me, so I'm going to clip that. Our CoverGirls, always print your CoverGirl coupons, your makeup coupons, always print them because you'll most likely be able to use them to get a freebie or a moneymaker at CVS or any other store that you coupon at. You can use these at Dollar General as well if you already used your digital coupons. Going down, Aveeno's good. I'm not going to clip it though. I never buy it. Renews it. I'll clip that. I'll clip Glad. I'm going to clip this Clorox. Oh, this Snuggle, guys. This is a Snuggle right here. This is a freebie at Dollar General. If you don't know already, you can pick up the Airwick with the Snuggle scent. It's priced at $3 at Dollar General, and you guys can get this for completely free. Let's see what else we have. Some more Aveeno. If you guys like Aveeno, definitely clip these. I'm not going to clip them. Oh, Soul by Jergens. Recently, we've had some great Jergens deals at CVS. Definitely clip that. Zyrtec, Children's Zyrtec. Drano. I love the Drano coupon. Usually it's $1 off Drano, but I'm going to clip it. Drano's a product I use, so. What else? Let's see. Looks like we got some more medicine. Some moisturizer, Ivory moisturizer. Flonase. Okay, some yogurt. I'll do that one. Sometimes they have a great Ibotta deal on this yogurt, and you can pick it up at Walmart, possibly get it for free. And looks like that's it. Once you reach your limit on your coupons, as you can see down here, it'll say limit reached. So this is a $1 off of 2. What did I clip up here? I wasn't even looking. $2 off of 6. Okay, whatever. If you guys have that $1 off of 2, definitely clip that. $2 off of 6 isn't as good. But yeah, so let's see. Now I'm going to go back up to the top, see how many coupons I have. All right, so 17 coupons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print these bad boys. I'm not actually going to print them. I'm just going to save them. And then when it actually comes time that I want to use the coupon, at that time, I'll find a coupon and I'll print it. But yeah, so right now I have 17 coupons. So that means that I can print another 8 and get another 8 cents. So I'm just going to print another random 8 just because I want to get my max value of what I can. I can get 25 cents a day, so I'm going to get my 25 cents a day. So yeah, that's 25 cents that I just got for today by printing some coupons, and I got every single coupon that I wanted to print. And if I wanted to do this again tomorrow, I could do that again tomorrow and get another 25 cents. So what I recommend to do is to print 1 copy of your coupon today and then do a 2nd copy tomorrow and maybe a 3rd or a 4th the next day if you're using another browser. That way you can get paid for it each day. And there are so many other things that you can do to earn money on InboxDollars.com. You can just do simple web searches and they'll pay you. You can do surveys. I think they send you emails, and if you like open up the email and confirm that you opened up the email, they pay you. Like, it's a really great way to just earn money while sitting home on quarantine, right? So like I said, I'm gonna have the link for this website down below if you guys wanna check it out and print your coupons from there. And remember that they are the same exact coupons from coupons.com, so you're not missing out on any coupons by going to this website opposed to coupons.com. Alright guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. If you enjoyed this, show me by giving it a like down below. Let me know if you want me to continue doing these videos in the future. This is my first time doing this one, so I'm not really sure if you guys are interested in seeing them or not, but we'll see how this goes. Alright guys, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.